Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove the instrument cluster, the whole cluster, with all the gauges on Mercedes W211, the E-Class from 2003 to 2008, 9 model. Okay, let me turn the light on, get in the car. Okay, and show you what you need to do. You need to bring the steering wheel all the way towards you and down. Okay, and now we need to get a trim removal tool. Okay guys, and there is a couple clips. Okay, and those are very hard to get to. I'll show you in a second what we need to do. Okay, this one came out. There is 2 on each side. 2 on this, 2 on the other. Okay, so it's important to get those, and careful not to break the button there. Don't put too much pressure. Okay, and it needs to come this way when you pry. Okay, perfect. We pulled it out. Okay, let me show you the clips now. Okay, those are the clips, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. So facing this way, you can see where they are. Okay guys, now we need a T25, and we have a screw that we need to remove there on top. Another one on top. So 2 on top, guys, and 2 in the corners. Okay, right there. And we'll need to get an extension for those. Okay, so let me show you where those are exactly. Alright guys, and always make sure before you unhook the wires and everything else, make sure that the battery is disconnected at least 30 minutes to 60 minutes before the repair. Every time you remove some kind of module on that thing, so you make sure you don't burn it. And we'll just get the tool for the bottom ones now, because we need to find one that's long enough. Alright guys, so we're removing the screw now. They will not come out all the way, they stay in the cluster. So all we have to do is just get them loose. Okay, it's loose on this side, and now we have the other one on the bottom. Okay, you'll see where exactly it is in a minute. Okay, removing this one now. Let's see what else we'll need to do for that. Okay, we'll just pull it out. The top comes out first. Okay, like that. Then you keep pulling. Just be careful, don't put any pressure on anything, and be careful with your part there. Now we need to disconnect the cables. Okay, and those, okay, that piece now right here, you need to press in. Okay, this thing you need to press in, and you need to slide the gray piece over it that way, and it will release the wires. Okay, like that. And this is, guys, the instrument cluster out of a Mercedes W211. That's how you remove it if you need to send it for repairs or anything else. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.